今天吃咸粥。
Purge the clams in salt water to expel sand for at least 3 hours. Soak the dry shiitake mushrooms and dry shrimp for 1 hour each. Simmer the pork bones in water over medium heat for 1 hour. Peel and slice the bamboo shoots into shreds. Remove the leaves from the celery and chop into small pieces. Slice the shallots. Slice the shiitake mushrooms into shreds. After deveining the dry shrimps, chop them into small pieces. Slice the pork shoulder bone into shreds. Cut the pork back fat into small pieces. After simmering for an hour, the broth should have a slightly white color, then it's ready. Place the cut pork back fat in the pot and simmer over low heat to render the lard. Remove the residue once the bubbling reduces significantly, then turn off the heat. Before adding the sliced shallots, do not turn on the heat. Wait until the bubbles gradually diminish before turning it on. Once the shallots turn golden brown from purple, quickly remove them from the lard and continue to stir to cool. Heat the pan and add the lard left from deep frying the shallots. Sauté the pork shreds until they turn brown. Add the shredded shiitake mushrooms, chopped dry shrimps, and crispy fried shallots to continue stir fry until fragrant. Then add the raw rice and mix well before adding the broth. Stir a few times to ensure the rice grains don't stick to the bottom. Cover the pot and bring to a boil. Add the shredded bamboo shoots, season with salt and white pepper powder, and mix well. Simmer over low heat for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. Add the clams and cook until they open. Then stirring the chopped celery before serving. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you next time.